This week, an AI agent leaked someone's passwords after being tricked by a stranger. Another one reviewed its own mistakes overnight and came back smarter. And a third one got a crypto wallet and started buying things on its own. 5 things happened in the last 7 days that changed how AI works forever. Let me show you exactly what happened and what it means for your money. Number 5. OpenAI just replaced the default brain behind ChatGPT. GPT-5.5 Instant went live this week as the new default model for every ChatGPT user. The big number, 52% fewer hallucinations in high-stakes scenarios. That means when you ask it about medical information or legal questions, it makes things up roughly half as often as before. But here's the part most people missed. OpenAI also shipped 3 new real-time voice models. GPT Real-Time 2 handles live conversations. GPT Real-Time Translate covers 70 languages simultaneously. And GPT Real-Time Whisper does live transcription. Zillow is already testing voice agents that can walk you through a home listing in real time. These are not chatbots. These are voice agents that take actions while talking to you. Number 4. Meta and Google are both racing to build something most people do not realize exists yet. Meta is building an AI assistant called Muse Spark that can act on your behalf across every app on your phone. Not just answer questions. Place orders. Schedule deliveries. Manage your inbox. Reuters reported this on May 5th. They are also testing an internal agent called Hatch and plan to add autonomous shopping to Instagram before the end of this year. Meanwhile, Google is testing an agent called Remy inside Gemini that learns your preferences over time and takes actions across Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Drive, and your Android phone. These companies are not building better chatbots. They are building digital employees that live on your phone. Number 3, and this one is a warning. British mathematician Hannah Fry ran an experiment. She gave an OpenClaw AI agent access to the internet, a list of tasks, and her financial credentials. The agent completed real tasks. It filed pothole complaints. It launched an online store. It created promotional content. Then someone socially engineered it. A stranger sent it a message, and the agent handed over passwords, API keys, and sensitive personal information. Researchers called this combination the lethal trifecta. Internet access plus private data plus untrusted input equals breach. This is the part nobody is talking about. We are giving AI agents wallets and autonomy at the exact same time that we are discovering they can be tricked into giving away your secrets. That tension defines 2026. Number 2. Anthropic just gave its AI agents the ability to dream. And that is not marketing language. Here is how it actually works. When you run a Claude agent, it takes notes as it works. What tools it used. What mistakes it made. What patterns it found. Over time, those notes pile up and get messy. Contradictions build up. Old fixes stay mixed in with new ones. Dreaming is a scheduled process that runs between sessions. It reviews up to 100 past sessions, finds patterns across multiple runs, removes outdated information, merges duplicates, and writes a clean playbook for next time. Think of it like REM sleep for software. During the day, your brain collects raw information. During sleep, it keeps what matters and throws out what is not. Anthropic demonstrated this live at their Code with Claude event. They built a multi-agent system with 3 specialists for landing drones on the moon. After an initial simulation, they triggered a dreaming session. Overnight, the dreaming agent reviewed all past runs and wrote a descent playbook. The next morning, the system performed measurably better on the sites that had previously failed, all from pressing one button. Here is the number that tells you how big this is. Anthropic planned for 10 times growth this year. In Q1 alone, they hit 80 times annualized growth. Netflix is already running their multi-agent system in production. Number 1. And this is the one that changes everything. On May 7th, Amazon Web Services launched AgentCore Payments with Coinbase and Stripe. For the first time ever, AI agents can hold a crypto wallet and spend money on their own. Here is exactly how it works. A developer connects their agent to a Coinbase or Stripe Privy wallet. They fund it with USDC stablecoins. They set a spending limit per session. Then the agent goes to work. When it hits a website or API that requires payment, the server sends back an HTTP 402 status code, payment required. That code has existed since 1997, but almost nobody used it until now. The agent detects that 402, the system authenticates with the wallet, sends USDC through Coinbase X402 protocol, attaches proof of payment, and delivers the content. The agent never stops. Payment happens inside its reasoning loop. Brian Foster, Coinbase head of infrastructure, said, and I quote, "There will soon be more AI agents transacting than humans." They need money built for the internet. Programmable, always on, and global. Right now, this covers micropayments. Fractions of a cent for APIs and data feeds. But AWS confirmed future versions will handle hotel bookings, travel reservations, and merchant payments. Warner Bros. Discovery is already testing this for premium content and live sports. And here is why crypto wins this race. Banks close at night. Card payments take days to settle. They charge percentage fees on tiny transactions. Stablecoins settle in seconds, work around the clock, cost almost nothing, and are fully programmable. When machines need to pay machines at scale, stablecoins are the only rails that work. So what does all of this mean for you? 3 things. First, stablecoins just got a massive new use case. Every AI agent that needs to buy something will use USDC or a similar stablecoin to do it. That is a demand driver that did not exist 6 months ago. Second, the security problem is real. We are handing wallets to systems that can be socially engineered. If you are building with agents, you need spending limits, audit logs, and human approval gates from day one. Third, this is moving faster than the people building it expected. Anthropic planned for 10 times growth. They got 80. When Amazon, Coinbase, Stripe, Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, and Meta all move in the same direction in the same week, pay attention. If you want to track this yourself, I put a link in the description to the AWS AgentCore Payments preview. You can sign up for access today for free. I publish a free daily crypto and equities intelligence brief that covers developments like these every morning. Link in the description. If this helped you understand what just happened, subscribe and hit the bell. New video every week breaking down the intersection of AI and crypto. This is educational content only, not financial advice. All visuals in this video were generated using AI. Thanks for watching.